Hello friends, hope you all are doing good and staying safe. So today I'm going to install the FlashX Hazard Flash module from Race Dynamics for Interceptor 650. Yes, we already did an unboxing review of this in my last video, and we did talk about what all comes in the box and all of that, and it's a plug and play product and 60 different patterns. Especially the USP is no additional switches required, it just works with your indicator switch alone. So yeah, it's a totally sealed product and really well built product. So yeah, without wasting any further time, let's jump into the installation process, right? So first and foremost, anything you have to do on the Interceptor, you got to remove the seat, right? So first thing is we're going to remove the side cover. Once you've done that, you need to pull off the seat. Okay, once you get the seat off, I prefer to keep my work area clean before I start working on it. So let me clean up a bit. All right, so yeah, that's good enough to start. So yeah, so now we need to find a black coupler which is going towards the tail light, right? Which is right here, this one. So this is going to be my coupler where my FlashX is going to connect to. So let me get the FlashX. Please bear with the camera angles. I'm using a chest mount to record the video because I cannot have any additional help from anybody else at this point in time. All right, so we have the harness here, and we have the device right here. So how does this connect? It's very simple, my friends, very simple and easy DIY, no rocket science at all. So there are three couplers here basically. On the particular on the unit you have this coupler here, and there's a little one here. So the little coupler connects onto your device this way, and make sure that you have respective harness for your respective vehicle, like how this says Royal Enfield Interceptor 650, right? Make sure you have the right one. And now you got to disconnect this one. So yeah, once you're done with that, so this just connects or sits right in between these two cables. That's about it. You need to remember, that's all. So this one would go in this way. You cannot go wrong here, absolutely you cannot. It's all going to be snug fit, and it's all going to work perfectly fine. And here it goes. That's about it. Okay, now let's turn on the ignition and activate the module. So when I turn on, I think these indicators are going to start flashing, right? And I'm going to show you how we activate this. You see this lights flashing already. Now we're just going to follow the instructions to activate the device, right? Okay, we have the ignition on. Toggle right, toggle left, toggle right, turn off, right? So now it's activated. You see the pattern changing, right? So this is the pattern what is going on at this point in time. And by the way, these are the Simtac LEDs I've already put in, which you might have seen in the short video what I made. So now in order to change the pattern, toggle left, right? The pattern has changed. Then toggle left and center button again. Pattern has changed again. See this? It's much slower. Yeah, so that way, my friends, you can keep toggling and explore all the 60 different patterns, right, what have been provided here. And that's a short one on the FlashX, right? So it just keeps changing. You see this, another mode. This looks interesting. Yeah, that's about the FlashX installation. And as I like things neat and tidy on my bike, I need to figure out how I'm going to go ahead and place this in a decent place so that it doesn't cause any kind of mess in the bike. So yeah, thank you so much, my friends, for watching this video today, and do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Happy to hear from you as always. Thank you so much, and take care of yourselves, and do stay safe.